I have observed a ton of social media profiles recently where basically people are shutting the door on potential clients, leads, listings, all kinds of benefits for them as business owners, individuals, people who sell books, run nonprofits, because they have like the worst social media presence when people come and visit them. Just think about when you meet somebody and you shake their hand. Either it's gonna be a firm, strong handshake, which establishes the relationship, or it's weak and you're like, what is wrong with this person? It's the same thing with people's social media profiles. When somebody goes to your Facebook, when somebody goes to your Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, how are you introducing yourself? Are you establishing a true relationship with people? A lot of times I've recognized and realized that people do not care a lot about their social media presence and platform. So when they are introducing themselves to somebody, there's often a huge gap, like they haven't posted in 30 days. So when somebody meets you on social media, all they know about you is a gap. They're like, these people don't care about what they do. They don't care about what they sell. They don't care about what they stand for. They don't care about their company's culture. I broke it down. There's 3 ways. It's a science. There's 3 ways that you can stop people dead in their tracks from ever following you again. Number 1, you have to understand that your first impression is everything. First impressions are everything. So if you don't want people to follow you anymore, have a horrible first impression. Keep your gap growing. Don't post anything or post really bad things. That will keep people from following you. Or how about you introduce people to your profile, your presence by being creative. Creativity is king. People with the most creative posts, the most creative pages and profiles will have a long-lasting following. You will build a positive relationship with people. People want to keep coming back and seeing the motivational things. They want to keep coming back. The third and final thing is have an awesome story. Let your story unfold. If you don't want people to come, tell a bad story, or you know what? Most people are not even telling their story at all. People have no clue what you do, why you do it, how you do it, what you make, what you sell, what you stand for. But if you want people to follow you, why don't you tell an awesome story? Because your story probably is pretty good. You're just not telling it. Like, people love raw, they love unedited, they want to get behind the scenes of your story. They love a work in progress. And so just tell your story, capture those moments and memories that people want to hear about what you do, why you do. All you got to do is tell your story, and you can begin to have a Facebook following where people will do whatever it takes to get to your page.